crisp, refreshing, and incredibly productive. Cucumbers are one of the most rewarding crops you can grow in a backyard garden. And the best part, you can start with seeds from a cucumber already sitting in your kitchen. Today, we are going to walk through everything seed to harvest right here in the garden. Let's get into it. Take an overripe cucumber, one that has gone slightly yellow and soft. Cut it open and scoop the seeds into a bowl of water. Let them ferment for 24 to 48 hours. This breaks down the gel coating that actually inhibits germination. Rinse the seeds through a strainer, discard anything that floats, and spread the good seeds on a paper towel to dry for 3 to 5 days. Once dry and hard, they are ready. You just saved seeds that most people throw away, and they will germinate just as reliably as anything from a seed packet. Cucumbers thrive in full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours daily. They are warm season crops, so wait until nighttime temperatures stay reliably above 55 degrees Fahrenheit before planting outside. Choose a slicing variety like straight 8 for fresh eating, or a compact bush type if you are working in containers. Plan your trellis before you plant. Cucumbers climb aggressively, and vertical growing saves space, improves airflow, and makes harvest far easier. Plant companion flowers like dill and sunflowers nearby to draw in pollinators. Cucumbers want loose, well-draining soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. Work in generous amounts of finished compost, a handful of bone meal for root strength, and perlite for drainage. Sow seeds 1 inch deep, 2 seeds per spot, thinning to the strongest seedling after germination. If transplanting, handle the roots gently. Cucumbers do not like disturbance. Water in well and lay straw mulch around the base immediately. That mulch retains moisture, regulates soil temperature, and suppresses weeds all at once. Seeds germinate in 5 to 10 days. The first pair of round cotyledons appear, then true leaves follow within a week. By day 21, tendrils are actively searching for the trellis. Guide them gently. Flowers appear around day 35. Cucumbers are mostly pollinated by bees, so if you notice poor fruit set, hand pollinate by transferring pollen between male and female flowers with a soft brush. The first harvestable cucumbers are typically ready 50 to 60 days from planting. Cucumbers are thirsty. Water deeply 2 to 3 times a week, always at the base, never on the foliage. During the seedling stage, feed with a balanced fertilizer. Once flowering begins, shift to potassium-rich inputs: compost tea, seaweed extract, or banana peel tea. Simply soak peels in water for 48 hours and apply at the roots. Crushed eggshells worked into the soil add calcium, which strengthens cell walls and prevents tip bitterness. These kitchen scraps cost nothing and genuinely improve your harvest. The most common cucumber problem is powdery mildew. Those white, dusty patches that appear on older leaves in humid conditions. Improve airflow, avoid overhead watering, and spray neem oil solution every 7 days as prevention. For aphids clustered at stem tips, a strong jet of water removes most of them instantly. Check the undersides of leaves daily. Catching problems early keeps them minor. A healthy plant in well-amended organic soil will naturally resist most issues on its own. Harvest cucumbers when they are firm, evenly green, and 6 to 8 inches long. Do not wait for them to yellow. Overripe cucumbers signal the plant to slow down production. The more you pick, the more the vine produces. Use scissors or pruning shears rather than pulling to protect the vine. And here is the professional secret most gardeners never use. Pick every single cucumber before it reaches full size. Slightly undersized harvests keep the plant pumping out flowers for weeks longer. From one kitchen scrap to a basket overflowing with fresh cucumbers. That is what a backyard garden can do.